There is a way we are always seeking, which brings joy to the daily hustle. It clears our mind of all the clouds. It is sometimes full of hardships and challenges, but the best views lies ahead of them. This is a journey about finding those roots. Come, join us.